Got any WD-40 on you, kids?
Yeah, just my back pocket.
Oh! Anyways, off to go get us some gold. See that? Well, we've got a big problem here, so I can't see the blooming top. How you feeling?
Doing the lunges.
Haven't even put a dent in it. Oh my god. It's a long way when we're not even at the top. Put the sweat up doing this one. It's actually quite a high elevation. I don't know if I can zoom in, there's people all the way down there. Holy hell, this Butlers climb is no joke. Butlers incline. A walking bridge from another track. Still got all of that up there to go. And we've just walked all of this. You can't even see the bottom because you go around another track. Insane. There's Grant down there coming up, and we're still gonna go all the way up there. And I tell you, you don't want to waste your water up here, but at the same time you want to be like, cause it is so muggy. Cool the bow down, and just like that, top of the incline is complete. Top of the incline down there, complete. How do I know that? Because here's the cable that pulled the carts up the hill. So we're definitely at the top. Awesome. Got you something to pull yourself up on. Don't pull it to
Get the rust.
Yep.
400 metres incline.
We're there. That was hot. Oh, there we go.
There's a pulley up in the bushes there.
Complete. 845 steps. Well, that's what they compare it to. I compare it to not sweaty, now sweaty. It's bloody hard to pick up what this incline is, even with Grant standing there, but that is quite steep. Yeah, it's bloody hard to pick up there. Yeah, we're pretty much at the top of this incline stuff now. This is the machinery, pulls the wagons up, and that goes to a mine shaft just around the corner there, which they take it. Okay. It's good. Going into old mine. Can't see now. Oh, it doesn't go very far, this one. A lot of water dripping off this shit though. The cool thing about these old mine places is you do get the odd mine tunnel. They are quite full of water though, like this one here. If Grant shines down, looks quite, oh, it's not too bad down the end there. Once we get through the front bit, where the logs will be right.
Give it a go.
Yeah, we will give it a go. This is the last video I've seen. Wish you all well. Here's watch where you're going,
I'll
mate.
just go in.
And you might be doing a big splash for my video.
I'll go in.
Props to whoever made this path over the water. Bloody come in handy. Look at that. Boom, boom, we're in. Okay, so we got a little tunnel bit here. Check out how it's made. Very cool. Yeah, pickaxe. And there's our entry. And now we've got, it's like playing a little game of like Crash Bandicoot.
Shoes in here. I believe it's. Don't jump off.
What's that? Look at the size of this big ass wheater here. And that one. Like this is the normal size we see these ones here. And then you see this one here. It's like freaking massive. Look at this.
It was a leg.
I'll put it back. Yeah, buddy. Check us out. Probably like halfway up Mt Te Aroha, and now we've come to a swing bridge. That's Grant on it there. We've got a really cool waterfall over there, and then we're actually going to carry on. Where are we? Hands going the wrong way. Into a tunnel. So that's pretty cool. Good walk after that other really sweaty bit. And it's a proper swing bridge too. That's how it got its name. Look at the guy. We're going for a bounce. Whoa! Off the ground. Jesus Christ. Now, how long is this tunnel?
Wow, might need a torch for this one.
Far.
This goes in and around. Sticky there.
It is. Very muddy. And we are out to the other side. Boom. Bit of a waterfall stop. We've done most of the hard stuff now. Cheese sandwiches or buns. Not so bad. Cheers for that. Woo! Right, we've walked up as far as we want to go up the mountain today. We're not going to go to summer. It's like 2 hours extra from where we went to. So we're going to go inside this mine shaft and go for a walk through here. It is wet, so we're going to sacrifice the shoes, and Grant's got a light, and we're just going to walk on through and see what we find. Probably big ass wheater like before. pretty wet. So we think we're come near the end of this this mine shaft, walking through the water and everything. We just climbed over this pile of stuff here with the old boards that held the roof up, so I think that's us done in here. What do you reckon, Grant? Hope so.
Pretty bright. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty good adventure. Finally figuring out where this tunnel goes to.
Yeah, exactly.
Big enough for a train, some bits.
Just like that, we are out. And just like that, job done.
Back to the bottom.
Back to the car, which is just over there. So, bonus is still there. Done. We went. I think we went to right there. Which is right there. And then the summit's all the way up there, no thank you.